What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den. Now, this is kind of weird. I'm shooting this intro while it's all happening. Basically, this last week has been absolutely chaotic. And if you notice, I did skip a week of uploading, and I really apologize for that, but everything has just been so screwed up lately. A lot's going on in my personal life, and I just haven't been really able to film a video. Anyway, guys, we'll get to the point. So, we are currently, I say currently because it's happening as I film this intro. You read the title right. We are getting a carbon fiber interior wrap for the G37. Basically, everything silver inside this car is getting wrapped with 5D carbon fiber vinyl wrap, and my guy Moogie is doing it all for me because I cannot wrap, so he's doing that as we speak. So hey guys, that's what this video is going to be about. I got some shots at Moogie's house. There's some pretty funny parts, so I highly suggest you watch the whole video because you know how Moogie and Billy are when they get together. If you've seen their channel at Chicago Lane Changers, when those two get together, it gets pretty funny, so you might want to stick around for that. But anyway, basically what we've done so far is remove the interior, and he's working on it, and then you guys are going to see the final results. So guys, that is not all. We are also painting these plastic trims on the doors. Now I actually did get 3 of these finished. However, the ones for the back, they turned out pretty good. That I'm gonna keep them. The ones in the front, however, were a complete disaster. Basically, I didn't really know how to go about painting these properly, and I just didn't do a very good job. I put too much paint on it once, so I had to order new ones, which sucks because that was 40 bucks. Actually, over 40 bucks. So that sucks. You can see this is the passenger side front, and it does have primer on it, and I've stripped paint off of it already, and it's just a complete disaster. Look at that. Ugh. Yeah, there's no fixing that. So I just decided throw it out and start all over again because I want it to be as good as possible. This is probably going to be the last mod for the G. I'm not exactly sure yet. I have considered tire lettering, but I just don't know for sure because I don't know how it's going to look on this. My guy Moogie did it on his, but his G37 is black, mine is silver, so I'm not sure if it's going to look all that great on silver yet. I'm going to have to see if I can like Photoshop it or something because I just don't know if I want to do that to this car. On a black car, it looks great. I actually tried to do it to my old Acura RDX, which was almost full bolt-on turbo. I attempted to do it with that car with a paint pen. You probably know how that went. But now there's this new thing that Moogie showed me, actual lettering that sticks to your tires. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do it yet. I'm going to have to see. But I'm kind of leaning towards no. If you guys want to see that, let me know on Instagram if you guys think it would look good, if you think it would look bad, because I'm kind of 50-50 on it right now. So hey guys, now we're gonna move on to the footage that I shot at Moogie's house. This was last week, and then following that, you will see the final results of what the wrap ended up looking like, and hopefully by then I have these door panels finished because I'm still waiting for the new ones to come in because USPS has been and I'm sure many people can vouch for me on this, USPS has been absolutely god awful this last month. I ordered an infinity flag to hang up in my shop. I had to wait exactly 3 weeks for that bitch. 3 weeks. Absolutely ridiculous. Enjoy the video, and hopefully I can get these panels in because I want to finish them, and you know, I just don't know if I'm gonna have them done in time for the video, but I know you guys want to see this carbon interior so badly because I've asked people on Instagram how if they want to see that, and so many people voted yes, they want to see it. They want to see how we did it. They want to see what the 5D carbon fiber looks like, and unfortunately I don't have a sample right now to show you guys, but it looks good. So, and once again, shout out to Moogie for wrapping it. Really coming up clutch. Enjoy.
Yeah, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Motherfucker. Okay. Give me a second.
The fucking door.
The motherfucker wants to pop out. He's just being a little fucking cocksucker. Fuck. Okay, hold on.
For every single fucking.
We can edit out all the struggling and make you look better.
Yay.
There you go.
Dude, I could do it so much better if I had my fucking, like, I have this pocket knife, but it's like a trim. It has like God damn. We're good, we're good.
All right, guys, we are out here at Moogie's house. He is hooking me up, wrapping the interior of the G. This is probably going to be, honestly, the last mod for this car. This kind of be the cherry on top, and that's going to be it. I'm pretty happy with the car, especially with the new springs. The car's handling great, driving great. This looks fantastic. So I wasn't originally going to wrap this interior. Interior, but I seen pictures and had to do it. Just had to do it. Got to do it to finish this car. Off. There's so much shit going on behind the camera right now. So yeah, we got this going on. Huge mess. The dude had this out in like 10 minutes. This would have taken me 3 hours. So we will update you guys and show you guys what it looks like. And man, I'm really looking forward to this.
If that goes to me, fuck you. So
I made it.
No, I am the co-producer of it.
How the fuck are you the co-producer of it, you fucking dickhead?
I made the name of the fucking merch. 100% is mine.
No, you didn't. I made the name. You just pointed it out for my playlist, fucker.
If you want more merch, www.dreamsrelated.shop. Wrong video. I'm sorry.
If you like this, he said wrong video. I'm sorry.
So just disclaimer, they're actually like really nice guys. They don't talk to other people like this. That's just how they are.
Oh, stop fucking bullshitting.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I tell shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better. You only get jealous. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me.
Can I cuss in your voice?
Yeah, dude, I cuss all the time.
Ah, shit. Fuck yeah.
Alright, guys, we're in the Chicago Lane Changers hubs. We got they're all Silver Fox G37 in the garage right now with Silver Fox himself. Look at him. Oh, looking all awesome and shit.
It's just me.
My car's fucked.
Guys, it's about a week later. I've shaved. That won't last long, so don't worry. So today's Thursday, exactly a week since we've been to Moogie's, and supposedly tonight we're gonna be getting the stuff back in the car. So what I've done in the meantime is I've painted these. Now I'm not gonna use this one because it didn't turn out very good. The color's good, but the texture's terrible. And so I'm waiting on a new one for here and a new one for there. As you saw earlier, I explained it, and the back ones they're good enough. I'm gonna use them. So, but hopefully tonight we will get these back in, and then in probably a couple of weeks I do have something coming for the steering wheel, which will be really awesome. But I will be painting this part here red, just like this, so that will look really good. So yeah, hopefully I'll get this interior back in tonight, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like, although it won't be finished as far as what I want to do to the steering wheel, and this will not be finished. However, the carbon will be in here, which will be pretty cool. And I would like to get a Q50 shifter, but it's not cheap. So in the meantime, I think I'll either wrap this in carbon or I'll paint it. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So alright, hopefully tonight we'll be at Moogie's, and I'll show you guys more of that.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith.
Alright, so we are back here at Moogie's. I didn't film much of installing the pieces back in. However, it's kind of dark, it's hard to see. Dude, this shit's mint. What? It looks like new. It makes the car look newer. Dude, just USPS screwing me over on these trim pieces. and I'm getting real tired of this shit. You know this is red. However, we do have the back ones in, and that kind of shows you what it's going to look like. Paint's not as good on these, but it's good enough to be in the back, and see, it looks real good. All right, guys, so if you're in this, and a lot of people have hit me up about this, if you're in the Chicago suburb area, or even if you want to ship out your center console to my guy Moogie, he will wrap it. Great prices. Like, don't bother with the shops that rip you off. Like, dude, he did such a good job. Like, I can't even explain. Dude, it looks great, man.
Oh, I got you.
I got you. Shout out to these guys. Check out their Instagrams right here. Yeah, Billy was doing a ton of work on it too. Like, real pain in the ass with the doors.
I wasn't doing shit.
So you guys, will get you some shots in the morning when you can actually see the carbon, because it's kind of hard to see right now. And hopefully USPS actually steps up their game and gets me those trims, because that's starting to really piss me the hell off. Because that's going to finish it, and then we're going to be working on the steering wheel, and I'll show you guys what that's going to be very soon. And we will see you guys in the morning for the cool shots of that. All right, guys, and that is a wrap, quite literally. So it's the next morning. Let's take a look and see what this looks like during the day. So here it is, guys. It looks absolutely phenomenal. I mean, look at that, dude. That's so good. The camera actually makes it look brighter than it actually is. It's actually a darker color. But dude, wow. There's the back. That has the red trim panel, so that kind of will get you an idea what that's gonna look like. Looks real good. I'm still waiting on those front ones. Dude, man, does it look good, dude. So I know you all probably want to see cinematic shots for that. We will do cinematic shots after everything's finished, because then we can kind of get everything all at once, like show the final results. So next video, video on the interior, we will be working on the red trims, and then also the red trim right here that goes around the steering wheel. And then we'll probably do a part 3 video on the stitching on the wheel cover, which hopefully that goes well. It shouldn't be too bad. There's like an instructional video on YouTube on how to do it. So we'll be doing that, and then we'll reveal what it looks like. And then, yeah. Also, we will be getting a Q60 shift knob in here at some point. I can't do it right now because it's so expensive. I was going to do the Q50 one, but honestly, it looks too much like the one that's in here already. So I figure we'll go full out Q60 shift knob. The only downside is that it's pretty tall. It'll sit pretty high, but that's okay. I guess kind of more sporty. I don't know. I don't really care about that. But dude, what? Look at that, dude. It looks so much better. The car, this looks way better. It looks newer. Unfortunately, you're not really able to wrap this. So what we do is we just leave it open. And I sometimes have stuff plugged into there anyway, so that's fine like that. Yeah, so there it is, guys. If you want your interior wrapped, you can ship your parts to Moogie. Don't forget to follow him on Instagram. I put it in the other scene, so you can follow him there. And don't forget to subscribe to their channel at Chicago Lane Changers, because they have a YouTube channel too, for those of you who don't know. And yeah, all right, guys, so that's going to be a wrap for this vlog. Next video, I'm not sure actually exactly what the next video will be. I do have a video coming out eventually on the cost breakdown of this build. I'm going to wait till everything's finished before then. That'll probably be a couple months, because I'm probably going to wait until I get the Q60 shift knob and all that good stuff. But yeah, expect more. This is just part 1 of the interior mods. We will have probably 2 more videos on the red trims and the red steering wheel trim. I'll show you guys how to remove the steering wheel and what tools you need for that, because you do need a special tool to remove it. And hopefully I can help you out with that. Alright, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SilverFoxG37. Don't forget to follow our new racing club at Silver Fox Racing Group. Don't forget to subscribe to Chicago Lane Changers. That's Moogie's channel, because seriously, he came up clutch. But seriously, I'm about to install intakes for him. We'll probably vlog that as well. So guys, be on the look for that. But yeah, seriously, Moogie, thank you if you're watching this. Man, it's sweet, man. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at SilverFoxG37. Don't forget to follow our new racing club at Silver Fox Racing Group. We have new decals coming very soon, within the next few weeks. We are currently cutting prototype decals. So if you want to get one, you will be able to buy them on our Etsy store, which I will be revealing very, very soon. We will also be taking orders for custom decals. So if you want your YouTube channel, your Instagram name, or anything you want, you will be able to purchase that through us. We will be able to make them. I already gave Moogie and Billy their own custom Instagram handles, and they love it. So you guys will not be disappointed. So if you want one of those, hit me up when the store is open. I will make an announcement video when that is finished, and that's gonna be pretty much it. And I really hope we get some damn snow soon. I want to try that SRX. And as always, remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only illegal if you get caught. Stay foxy.